this nail is a little bit damaged and possibly infected, so we're going to take a sample of the nail and just send it off to a lab. What we can see is the nail bed is a little bit damaged. You cut something so deep it should hurt because it's quite vascular, but you can imagine how damaged is this now, because it doesn't hurt when I cut it. And it comes off very, very easily. It's good. Tell me if it hurts, okay? I'll stop. So hopefully when we clean this out, the nail on the base can just grow out and grow out clear. You doing okay?
Yep.
It's a little bit more uncomfortable, this one, or? So there's definitely a bruise down there because that's purpley reddish color. So you kind of knocked it, probably a month ago, maybe running.
Yep.